goodness. Oh, wee. Whoo. It's a little frosty in here. I don't know if you can see my breath. Probably not. I'm upstairs right now. And want to give a little intro of this next clip that we're doing right now. So hope everybody's having a really good December. A good holiday in general. We are excited that Christmas is right around the corner. You know, hopefully you guys are all doing really well and got some good plans. If it's just sitting around in the house, that's awesome too. Missing the families and everybody all the way back in the States. So shout out to you guys. Hope you guys have a good, happy holiday and hug your loved ones, you know, because time is not going to wait for no man. Anyway, so it's cold in here. Waiting for the heater to warm up the upstairs room. This is where I make all of the magic that you guys see sometimes. And please subscribe. If you get a moment to hit the like button and then hit the bell, because then you'll get all of the videos when they come out. And I'm trying to keep up this role of doing once a week, maybe once every week and a half, you know. I'm doing pretty good. So that's why right now I want to let you know that we just had a small Christkindl market in our small village, which was awesome. Very small. We have a little bit of footage of that. Got a little lit for that, so we didn't get a lot of footage. So there's that. But went to a couple of the booths, and all of a sudden, I saw this little package. It was a variety of cookies. Now, let me tell you about these Christmas cookies. These are homemade Christmas cookies, and my mom used to make them all the time. When we were back in the States, she carried this tradition for probably, I want to say 10, 15 years with me and my sister. And she would send us a pack. It's a box of Christmas things, and most of it was Christmas cookies, and there were all different kinds in there. And Germany loves their baked goods, and so my mom was really good at baking certain Christmas cookies, and unfortunately I was not on the same continent as she was when she was making this box and preparing the cookies, baking the cookies. So the recipes, my sister has a couple of them, and there was one in particular. It's called HEINERLE. So HEINERLE are these wafers and nougat slices. They're like little chocolate pieces. Here comes a picture. Ready? And yeah, there they are. So mine, I want to try to make them. And once I saw that, I reached out to my Facebook group here in the village, and I was asking if anybody knew any of those recipes. If maybe I can get that for them, you know, and see if I can get a heads up, jump start on making some of these cookies, because I want to carry on these traditions. Now that my mom's passed, you know, I want to still send family some cookies next year, you know. So I started the HEINERLE recipe, and I'm going to put it right here, and hopefully I did it right. Y'all let me know, and I'm going to wait for this to get a little warmer in here before I start editing more videos. So thanks again for watching, subscribing, and hopefully by the time this is edited, I'll have another one around the way, and we will see what happens. But have a happy holiday, hug your loved ones, and I hope you guys like it. Tell me what you think. Burr. Burr. already starting to become homogeneous, or whatever the hell it's called. Anyways, let's bring this over here. I will leave this for now. You can see this. And I'm going to put my bowl into my pot. It's already starting to melt. That coconut oil is starting to melt up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Without bubbling, without boiling.
Oh, I cut that right. Cut it. Uh-oh. Well, this one didn't stick right. I'm gonna take a bite of it. Okay. Well, they didn't. I think they need to be pressed down a little bit more. They didn't stick together right. Right? Yeah. Oh, the ones in the middle. Those are great. The ones on the edges are not so great. I ain't gonna look at those. Falling apart. They look good. Now, I'll give Heather one to try. See? They flaked off. It does look like my mom's, but the wafers didn't stick, even when I pressed down on them. Here, try one.
You just gotta put them in the freezer.
Good morning. Oh, it's too dark.
Good morning. They do look just like my mother-in-law's.
Try it. They're coming apart.
Very good.
Very good. Right. Small mistake. I'll try again some other time. Right now, business as usual. Well, HEINERLE. Whatever I tried, I'm gonna have to try again. What did I do wrong? Why are my wafers not sticking together to every layer of chocolate? Someone, help me.